This video about full match schedule and fixture for FIFA World Cup 2026 group stage. We start from match day 1 schedule. Thursday, June 11, Mexico versus South Africa and South Korea against Czechia. Friday, June 12, Canada versus Bosnia and Herzegovina, USA against Paraguay. Saturday, June 13, Qatar kontra Switzerland, Brazil take on Morocco, Haiti kontra Scotland, and Australia versus Turkey. Sunday, June 14, Germany vs Curaçao, Netherlands versus Japan, Cote d'Ivoire versus Ecuador, and Sweden take on Tunisia. Monday, June 15, Spain versus Cape Verde, Belgium kontra Egypt, Saudi Arabia against Uruguay, and Iran vs New Zealand. Tuesday, June 16, France vs Senegal, Iraq kontra Norway, Argentina against Algeria, and Austria versus Jordan. Wednesday, June 17, Portugal kontra DR Congo, England vs Croatia, Ghana against Panama, and Uzbekistan kontra Colombia. Match day 2 schedule. Thursday, June 18, Czechia versus South Africa, Switzerland against Bosnia and Herzegovina, Canada kontra Qatar, and Mexico vs South Korea. Friday, June 19, USA kontra Australia, Scotland versus Morocco, Brazil take on Haiti, and Turkey versus Paraguay. Saturday, June 20, Netherlands kontra Sweden, Germany versus Cote d'Ivoire, Ecuador take on Curaçao, and Tunisia vs Japan. Sunday, June 21st, Spain versus Saudi Arabia, Belgium kontra Iran, Uruguay against Cape Verde, and New Zealand against Egypt. Monday, June 22nd, Argentina versus Austria, France kontra Iraq, Norway take on Senegal, and Jordan versus Algeria. Tuesday, June 23rd, Portugal versus Uzbekistan, England vs Ghana, Panama kontra Croatia, and Colombia take on DR Congo. Match day 3 schedule. Wednesday, June 24th, Switzerland versus Canada, Bosnia and Herzegovina kontra Qatar, Scotland vs Brazil, and Morocco against Haiti. Wednesday, June 24th, Czechia versus Mexico, and South Africa against South Korea. Thursday, June 25th, Curaçao take on Cote d'Ivoire, Ecuador versus Germany, and Japan kontra Sweden, and Tunisia versus Netherlands. Thursday, June 25th, Turkey face on USA, and Paraguay take on Australia. Friday, June 26th, Norway kontra France, Senegal against Iraq, Uruguay kontra Spain, and Cape Verde versus Saudi Arabia. Friday, June 26, Egypt versus Iran, and New Zealand kontra Belgium. Saturday, June 27, Croatia kontra Ghana, Panama against England, DR Congo vs Uzbekistan, and Colombia kontra Portugal. And Saturday, June 27, Algeria versus Austria, and Jordan against Argentina.